Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix the hourly chime problem in your digital sports watch. So if you also own a digital sports watch like this, which are usually made in China, these sometimes have this problem when they actually beep at every hour. And I've seen so many videos that do not actually fix that problem, because most of us are actually using these made in China watches, and the layout and button configuration is a bit different. So if you also own a watch like this, which actually have weeks, you know like this, so all you have to do is, first of all, you have to press the lower right button. It actually says the alarm, right? PM. And actually, as you can see right now, it is alarming. So let me just press this reset button or the lower right button, and you can see the time of alarm. Now if you see this weekday section, where actually tells you what week it is, all you have to do is, if there is actually filled up, like if I press this, there is nothing right now. So if I press this button, lower right button and lower left button simultaneously, like 1 2, you can see. And if you see like this, the weekday section is now completely filled up. So you have to remove it. How to remove it? Keep pressing the lower right button like this, and then press the lower left button, and as like this. And if the these Monday, Tuesday, section are now blanked out, so that means the hourly chime is turned off. If I, press this again, now the hourly chime function is on again. So if it's like that, it means that it will beep at every hour. So to turn it off, simple, you have to press the lower right button and the lower left button like this. Now it's gone. Now it's start and stop like this. Now if it's blanked out, so it means it is stopped. So that was how easy it is to fix the hourly chime function off in your digital sports watch. Because guys, I also accidentally turned it on, and I was like, spent so much time in the menu section of this watch, and there is no function that actually, can fix it. All you have to do is press this button and this button simultaneously to, remove the hourly chime. So I hope you found this video helpful. And if you do, please make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.